Autotrends is a family-owned business, been in downtown Greensboro since 1978. We do full service. We are open to all makes and models. We're right at the intersection of Battleground and Smith.
So in the past 12 months, we've made a lot of different changes, trying to make it more convenient for our customers. We've got the night drop where they can drop the keys off. We've got pickup and delivery. So honestly, a customer doesn't even have to step foot into the store.
I grew up in this city, less than a mile from here. We're a family-owned business, but yet we have the efficiencies and processes of high volume. We're not a store that just got dropped in here seeing how to do. We're committed, we're local.
So if you want to keep up with us, we've got an awesome website. We're on Instagram and we're on Facebook. Check us out anytime.